this now why. It's a great pleasure for me to attend this seminar or training today. What do you call the company?
Open Stages Incentives.
Open Stages Incentives.
Yes. But the program is called Critical Insight.
Critical Insight, okay. I was so impressed. It's wonderful. I didn't know that would be like this. I thought it's just another seminar. Knowledge is power. And, I'm very impressed. And I learned a lot of things that I feel I know before, but I didn't do it well. So thank you for the time you put in, seeing us through. And then we are continuing tomorrow. I'll be here. Thank you very much for all you have done.
You're very welcome.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Amen. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.